Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Jeep Cherokee door panel. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Having a small container for screws is also helpful. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely and you have good lighting. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free process for your Jeep's interior. Next, we'll tackle the trim and screws. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry up the window switch panel. Disconnect any electrical connectors underneath. Look for screws, typically 1 or 2, located in the armrest or behind the door handle. Remove these screws and set them aside. Then, carefully pry off the door handle bezel, revealing more screws or clips. Now it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim tool to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the plastic clips release. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, reach behind the panel to disconnect the door lock and latch cables, along with any last electrical connectors. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door cables. Carefully align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel. Once aligned, push the panel firmly into place, ensuring all clips snap back securely. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Finally, test your power windows, door locks, and handle to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.